Hello everybody, Adam Pecoraro from Flexoraro Fitness, and today we're going to be watching my lovely, ever so wonderful wife, Rebecca, do the third set of her HIIT workout. And if you don't know, the chirp wheel is my new favorite thing. It's a back roller, and it stretches the muscles around your spine to relieve upper and lower back and neck pain, also hip pain. And it's shaped like a wheel, so it can fit between your shoulder blades, and it massages deeply into the muscles all around your spine. So it's pretty cool. For the program that Rebecca's on, she starts with strength training, which we're not going to show in this video. But she did 3 sets of a cable pull for her back and 3 sets of a chest press. And then she had an ab core strengthening routine that is outside of this high intensity interval training workout. Okay, so we're going to watch Becca's third set. She already did 2 sets preceding this. Every set is 60 seconds of maximum quality reps, followed by a 30-second recovery interval. And she's going to start with the Arnold press. And yes, it is named after Arnold Schwarzenegger. Strong and powerful shoulder muscles can increase your strength in every upper body push and pull exercise. From like what Becca did earlier here, the cable pull and the bench press, to pull-ups and, punches, handstands, whatever. The movement of an Arnold press activates all 3 of the deltoid muscles in your shoulder, the posterior, the lateral, and the anterior. It's a wonderful challenge that is a great bang for your exercise buck. Now Becca's next exercise is a squat thrust into a medicine ball toss. Now, she's using a 12-pound medicine ball, and the basic squat works your legs, your butt. Many other leg exercises will as well. The squat thrust adds the cardio element to your workout because they increase your heart rate. The medicine ball toss adds the benefit of working your upper body muscles, especially your chest and your arms. By having you toss the heavy ball while you're doing the squat thrust puts you into a state of anaerobic intensity that is very challenging. It's really hard to catch your breath, especially when you're going for maximum quality reps. So it's a good challenge. So now, in addition to the ab strengthening exercises that Becca already did, she's got another ab core exercise in the middle of her HIIT workout. Now, the benefit of abs extends to daily function. Abdominal strength will reduce back pain because your abdominals act as an anchor for the muscles of the mid and lower back. Now, this supports the quality of your posture. It can help you to build functional strength. It'll help you to improve just overall daily performance. It creates better balance and more confidence. The in and out is what she's doing with her legs. It's a calisthenic and Pilates exercise that primarily targets the outer thighs and to a lesser degree also targets the calves, the glutes, the groins, the hamstrings, and the quads. The hip flexors work hard during this exercise, and these are key to a whole host of everyday movements, whether it's walking, bending, you're doing kickboxing, kicking, basically any movement of the lower body, kneeling, squatting, sitting. Superman swimmers are a great move for targeting the back. And by that, I mean the entire back of your body, the posterior chain of muscles, which include the glutes, the hamstrings, the calves, the lats, and the rear shoulder muscles. What Becca's doing here is a variation beyond your standard Superman, affectionately called the child temper tantrum move. So a great way for her to work on coordination and to increase the challenge of a standard Superman. Dumbbell jumping jacks, and the dumbbell is just to increase the challenge. Now, a jumping jack, obviously is a body weight exercise, but in this case, we're using some external weight. And jumping jacks are great for cardiovascular benefit, but they're also great for the health of your bones. Jumping jacks are a little bit more accessible than doing like tuck jumps or things like this. And they work to make your bones stronger, and make them dense, and they help in preventing the loss of bone mass. It also improves strength of the bone in people who are at risk of osteoporosis. So it's a great exercise if you're thinking long-term longevity with health. Now, as said before, jumping jacks also help in increasing your body temperature and aerobic capacity. This is one of the reasons why jumping jacks are usually done as part of warming up exercises or cardio routines. Any full body workout helps in weight loss because you are burning calories.